Did you know a flesh-eating parasite is spreading fast in Central America? Leishmaniasis causes painful skin ulcers that can become deadly if untreated. Deforestation and climate change are driving this parasite into vulnerable communities. Travelers, beware. Sandflies pose a threat at dawn and dusk. Early diagnosis is crucial, but treatment is often hard to access in affected regions. Protect yourself. Wear long sleeves and use insect repellent when outdoors. Stay informed and vigilant to help combat this growing health threat.